Good morning, boys and girls. So today is Wednesday, May 27th, 2020. So we had, remember I told you we're having a short school week. We had Tuesday, today's Wednesday, we will have Thursday, and then Friday. And Friday will be the day that we have our class family meeting. And remember, we will be having them a little bit earlier at 10 o'clock or 10:30 on Friday. So today what I want to do first, I'm going to start off with your packet. So in your packet today you would be working on practice pages from day number 2, May 27th. You'll be doing some beginning letter sound matching. You will be counting the syllables of a word. We're going to read and write some color words. You're going to practice reading your color words and then matching the color to them. We're going to be putting numbers in order. You'll see a number and we'll think about the number that comes before and after to write them. And then there's a game that's a roll and color the number with some frogs. So the first job is a reading job. It's a beginning letter sound. I can cut and paste the beginning sound next to the picture. So you're going to look at each picture, and I always like to write them before I find them. I like to write them. And again, I'm going to use a marker because it shows up better than pencil. So the first word is a bird. Bird. What letter do you hear? B. Bird. Then I see a snake. S. The S says S. Then I see an alligator. Like apple. A like apple. I see an ant. Like ant. Oh, I think I see an octopus. Oh, octopus. So you will continue doing that for all of your words. Now, if you get to a picture and you're not sure, like this, you might think this is a crocodile. So you have to think, it would be a C or a K. If you don't see the C or a K, I don't see one, then it has to be an alligator. All right, so I want you to think about each one of those beginning sounds. Then you'll cut out the letter that matches and glue them into your spot, okay, to the matching spot. The next practice page that you have for review is clapping the syllables. And remember, we're not tapping the sounds of a word, we're clapping the syllables of a word. So the first one is a snake. Snake. One syllable. So I will circle, or I'm going to color it in. Color in the number 1. One syllable. Let's do this one together. Chicken. Chicken. 2 syllables. So I will color the number 2. We'll do one more together. This, if it's hard to see on the picture, but it does have spots. And this, it could be a bug, but it's a special kind of bug. It's a ladybug. Clap that. Ladybug. 3 syllables. So you will color the number 3. So you can practice your syllables on that practice page. The next one, easy peasy lemon squeezy. These are all of our color words. Red. So you're going to trace the word and then you can color the egg with the matching color. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Now, some of these can be tricky. Pink, black, white, brown, and gray. So you'll trace the words and color the egg with the matching color. Now this is like first grader work. You can think about the number that comes before and after. So your number is 8. Now when I say 8, the number that comes after 8, 9. So the number that comes next is a 9. Now you have to think of the number that comes before. So I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the number that comes before is the number 7. And you can check your work. 7, 8, 9. Now this one could be a little tricky because now these are teen numbers. So that's the number 17, 1, 7, 17. So I can start and count and I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. If I can write 1, 6, 16, 17, 18. So you can always go back to 1 and count on. So this is like tricky, almost like first grader work. That's tricky math, but I know you can do it. And then this is a fun roll and color. So you can roll your dice. You will need 2 dice because these are larger numbers, and you will roll them and then color the frogs that match. And you'll notice some frogs have the same number. There's 2 8s, there's 2 7s, I see 2 5s, there's 2 10s, there's 2 9s, there's a 6. So you're going to roll and color to match. Practice adding your dice dots together. Roll 2 dice. Ooh, I got a 5 and a 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So practice your identify, subitize numbers, and count up, and color your frogs. So those are your review practice pages for today. All right, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Make sure you get your work done and don't forget your iReady challenge.